Well, hey there, people. Well, I just did a bit of a yard cleanup. To take a trip to the scrapyard. Trippy the cat. Something's wrong with her back end. We took her to the vet. The vet says, whatever. Deal with it. You got a crippled cat. Anyway. Because my goal is to be able to drive through my driveway in the winter. Like from the street to my back laneway. We're getting there. Anyway, this is today's load. We got 2 car batteries in here. And there we go. 65 bucks. Let's go to the scrapyard. You ready, buddy? Give you guys a better view. Yeah, I'll be lucky for 65 bucks, I think. So the batteries, that's $10, and I don't know, we'll see, I guess. Oh yeah, I got some stickers in the mail the other day from my buddy Kevin from Rednecks Gone Wild. Not too bad at all, 79 bucks. I'll take that all day. Well, anyway, as soon as I got home, I got a call about a washer and dryer that lady's getting rid of. The dryer works. It's part of a stackable washer dryer. The washer went. The dryer still works perfectly, she says, but it looks weird. But my buddy Guy, he's actually looking for a dryer, so I'm gonna grab Guy and we're gonna go get the dryer and washer. In the meantime, Shelly and I have to go to Canadian Tire to buy the cable for my snowblower. Hopefully they carry them. Well, there's Jomo's truck, but in way better shape. The thing's pretty mint. Jomo! Well, Canadian Tire didn't have my part, so we'll have to try somewhere else. Well, I'm not getting my cable today. It's Saturday. It's like 5:18. Nothing else in Sudbury would be open. There's a little place by my house, they repair snowblowers and shit. I'll try them on Monday. Anyway, I just don't want to be changing it when it's 40 below. I want to get it done now. Anyway, Kate, let's go get my buddy Geetsibo and pick up the washer and dryer. So Geetsibo and I, we picked up the washer and dryer. It's too bad because Geetsibo, he only has 120 and this dryer works off 220. Kind of weird looking, eh? Like both pieces work. That one not so good. The washer doesn't work so good. But the dryer works excellent, she said. I don't know how I'm going to sell that. Look at it. It's just funny looking. Well, anyway, my buddy Metal G has some shit for me and he needs it gone now, so let's go get that. Metal G hooking a brother up. So this is the shit Metal G gave me. I decided I'm just gonna go cash this in and give him the cash for it because he hooked me up with this. Brand spanking new insulated overalls. Metal G rocks. Thanks, buddy. I think Metal G will get $30 for this load. 30 bucks. So Metal G did not too bad. $37.50. $37.50. Yeah. Okay, well, let's go drop this money off at Metal G's and let's do that. Well, that was a first for me. Usually people bump cigarettes. Buddy that works at the scrapyard, he asked me if I had spare e-juice. So I filled up his e-cigarette for him. Well, there's Metal G's cash. We're just gonna throw it in his mailbox because he's at work, so yeah. There you go, Metal G. I guess I'm done scrapping. I'm not sure exactly where I am right now, or where we are all of a sudden.
Earth.
Boom!
Boom. I won 2 tickets to the event, the Halloween.
Well, just like that, we're at the Big Nickel. For what reason?
Dynamic Earth, to go into the Tunnel of Terror. I think I like him better than you now. My new boyfriend.
He must have a huge one.
Oh my god.
It probably don't work, it's all shrivel.
Are you going to be wearing a hard hat for this experience? You're going to wear that
We're going underground, boys and girls. Shelly's going into the haunted house. This is gonna be scary.
Hey, don't do things like that. It's not very nice.
Need a flashlight. Can't see. Shelly entering the tunnel of terror. The tunnel of terror.
Okay, relax.
Well, it's scary. Aren't you scared?
No, I'm not scared.
Sorry guys, I can't share the tunnel of terror with you guys. I just got told no cameras underground, but I apologize for that. He's the boss. I'm just a tourist. Alright, we're done with the tunnel of terror. Marcel got in trouble several times for different reasons. You know, you're not allowed booze in there, you're not allowed to eat cigarette, you're not allowed to videotape.
Check that out.
That's pretty cool.
Let us take pictures out here, I hope. Well, there's so much strobes under here, I don't think you'd get a decent picture
No.
underground.
There's detail in that, right? The pirate has to have a parrot right there, right?
That's pretty Canadian right there, eh? Oh, here comes the best one, I bet you. The best one.
Mary? Mary?
No,
Yeah, just Mary.
that's not the best one.
Berry. Oh, just Berry.
That's not the best one. The best one is right there.
What? The zombie wedding. That's what this is called.
That's a lot of friggin' pumpkins. Anyway, people, thanks a lot for watching. Cheers. We'll talk to you guys later.